This is how the dashboard looked on our Mercedes chassis when we picked it up. And this is how it looks after we did the modification. Today we're gonna do the installation for the dashboard cover. It's very easy. If I can do it, you can do it. First, I have to use the prying tool to remove this piece right here. Okay, the next step is to remove a screw here with the T20 driver. The next step is to pull this piece out. There are 3 clips. You just have to pop these clips out and this will just come right out. And then there's 2 screws here that we have to take them out also. The next step is to pull this piece out. I can use this one and pull it this way. Actually, it's easier just to open that. I'm gonna use a different prying tool to put it here and just pop it out. And this is what you see. This is the new piece with the cover and the cup holder. So I just have to line up the clips and just pop it in. And the next step is to put the screw back right here. Okay, so the screw is tightened and we just have to put this last piece in the 3 clips right here. We just have to line them up and snap them back in place. Oh wow, voila, it's all done. Look at this. Look, it's nice and clean now. I can put stuff in here, close it, nice and clean. I love it, honey. Let's do the other side. Just prop the clips out. You put this. And then the next step is to unscrew this screw right here. And then the next step is to actually pop this out. Easy peasy now. And then I have to unscrew these 2 screws right here. Oh. Okay. To take this big piece out, I have to use this prying tool and have to pull this out. I think this side I have to use this tool to pry it out. That's it. And then ready to put this piece in. Have to snap it in place again. I like this part. Whoops. Right, and then now I have to put the last screw back in here. Okay. Okay, this is all tight. I took out 3 screws, but I only need to put 1 back. So these 2 are extra. What do you want to do with it, honey? Throw? Okay, last piece. To line it up again. Snap it in place. Yes, all done. And look at this, nice and clean. I could store whatever I want in here, close it, and it looks nice and clean, not cluttered like before. So I really love this modification.